Hello, I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of March 19th. Spring break begins on Monday, March 20th. All schools will be closed. Most students will return to the classroom on Monday, March 27th, with year-round students returning on Monday, April 10th. The search for the next Cleveland Metropolitan School District CEO is entering the next phase. The Board of Education needs your help during the interview process of the CEO candidates. There are 3 ways you can help select the next CEO. Nominate yourself or others for candidate interview panels. Suggest interview questions for CEO candidates, and watch candidate interviews and submit feedback. Visit the CEO search site for information at clevelandmetroschools.org/CEO search. The CMSD Get More Opportunities Fund website is open. CMSD students, teachers, parents, and caregivers can apply directly for grants or offer suggestions on how Mackenzie Scott's $20 million unrestricted gift to the district should be spent for the betterment of our schools. If you have a vision of how the educational experience of a CMSD school, building, department, or division can be advanced, you are encouraged to share your ideas. While $1,000 is the minimum amount that can be requested, no thoughtful idea will be deemed too big or too small for consideration. For much more information about the grant, how to apply for the funding, or for a list of frequently asked questions, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/CMSD Get More Opportunities Fund. Starting in April, 2 students selected from each district high school will be a part of the review committee created to approve funding proposals. Cleveland Metropolitan School District's Momentum: From Pandemic to Cleveland's New Way of Learning documentary premiered on Thursday at the Capitol Theater. Following the showing, there was a panel discussion with educators and students. If you missed the premiere, don't worry. This Thursday, the documentary will debut on the district's Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube pages starting at 7 p.m. This documentary takes an in-depth look at how CMSD pivoted to remote learning when Governor Mike DeWine abruptly closed all Ohio schools due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Again, Momentum: From Pandemic to Cleveland's New Way of Learning will air on the district's Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube pages on Thursday starting at 7 p.m. The Parent University College bus tours will make stops at Bowling Green University on Wednesday and Wilberforce University on Thursday. These tours, open to 11th and 12th graders and their families, are designed to give students and families an opportunity to see what these universities have to offer. Caregivers or guardians are required to accompany their students on these visits. Transportation to and from the universities will be provided, as well as lunch. For more information and to register for the tour, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/face, then click Parent University College Tours on the left-hand side. Place your orders for the Executive Grill's 2nd annual bake sale. You can purchase cheesecakes, muffins, cupcakes, and more. Orders must be in by Wednesday, March 29th at noon. The orders can be picked up on Thursday, April 6th. Go to clevelandmetroschools.org/executive grill to see the full list of baked goods on sale and to place your orders. Also, if you would like to eat lunch at the Executive Grill, it's open weekly on Wednesdays and Thursdays, but you will need to call ahead for reservations. Call 216-838-2433 between 8:30 and 9:30 in the morning, and again at 1 to 2:30 p.m. On Friday, March 31st, the Morehouse College Get on the Bus tour will make a stop at CMSD. In partnership with Men of Color Shaping Academics, or MOCA, the Men of Morehouse will host an empowerment and transformative Men of Color Youth Summit from 9:30 to 5 at East Professional Center. Young men enrolled in 9th through 12th grades will get a glimpse of what it's like to attend a historically Black college and be a leader. If you are interested in attending, please contact your principal. On Wednesday, April 5th, the second of 4 pre-K through 8 choice fairs will take place at the John Marshall High School campus from 5 to 7 p.m. This is a great time for families to see all the district's pre-K through 8 schools and what they have to offer. Families can go to choosecmsd.org right now to make their selection on what school they would like their child to attend next academic year. And remember, CMSD allows children to attend any school in the district, regardless of where they live. Also, Cleveland School of the Arts will hold spring auditions for admission to majors including creative writing, band, dance, and orchestra on Tuesday, April 4th and Thursday, April 6th from 3:05 to 5:05 in the afternoon both days. To sign up for a time, go to clevelandmetroschools.org/CSA. We'll stay connected with what's going on in the district by downloading the CMSD app or following CMSD on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks for watching CMSD 360. Have a great and productive week.